Planning your dream trip to Japan? Whether it's cherry blossoms in Tokyo, the neon lights of Shibuya, or the peaceful temples of Kyoto, your adventure starts before the flight with the right visa. In this video, we'll cover everything about the Japan visa process, from visa types and online eVisa to on-arrival procedures, costs, timelines, and expert tips to avoid rejection. So grab a notepad. This is your complete, updated Japan visa guide, made simple for every traveler. Japan offers several visa categories depending on your purpose of visit. For most tourists, the short-term visitor visa is the most common, valid for up to 90 days and ideal for vacations, sightseeing, and visiting friends or family. If you're traveling for business meetings or conferences, the business visa is your option. Students heading to Japan for language or university programs require a student visa, while professionals working for Japanese companies can apply for a work visa that may extend up to 5 years. Some travelers are lucky. Visa-free entry applies to over 70 countries, including Singapore, Malaysia, South Korea, the US, and most of Europe. Citizens of these nations can enter Japan without a prior visa for short stays. But if you're from a country that requires one, don't worry. Japan's new eVisa system, expanded in 2025, has made the entire process quicker, paperless, and traveler-friendly. Let's go step by step through what happens when you land in Japan, especially if you're arriving with a visa or eligible for visa on arrival arrangements. Arrival at the airport. After landing in Tokyo, Osaka, or Fukuoka, follow the immigration control signs. Immigration form. You'll receive a disembarkation card. Fill in your name, passport number, address in Japan, and reason for travel. Fingerprint and photo. Immigration officers will capture your fingerprints and a digital photo. This step is quick and completely normal. Visa stamp or entry permission. Once cleared, your passport is stamped with your entry duration, typically 15, 30, or 90 days depending on your nationality. Baggage and customs check. Pick up your luggage and declare any restricted items, such as food, alcohol, or electronics if asked. If your nationality allows visa on arrival, you'll pay the visa fee, usually between 3,000 yen and 6,000 yen, at a designated counter. Always keep the receipt until you exit Japan. Pro tip: before you leave your home country, carry a return flight booking, proof of stay, and sufficient funds. These are often checked by immigration officers. Now let's talk about Japan's online eVisa, one of the best updates for travelers in 2025. This system allows you to apply completely online, without visiting an embassy. Here's how it works. Visit the official eVisa portal. The website is evisa.mafa.go.jp, managed by Japan's Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Create an account and select your nationality and visa type. Upload documents. You'll need a passport scan, recent photo, flight itinerary, and hotel confirmation. Fill out the application carefully. Details must match your passport exactly. Pay the visa fee online, around 3,000 yen, roughly $20 for single entry. Wait for email confirmation. Processing usually takes 5 to 7 business days, though it may vary depending on nationality. Once approved, you'll receive a QR code or eVisa document in your email. Print it out or keep a digital copy on your phone. When you arrive in Japan, simply show this at immigration. No stamps or papers needed. This new system has already simplified travel for visitors from countries like India, Indonesia, Vietnam, and China. Visa fees vary slightly by visa type and nationality. Here's a quick summary. Single entry visa, 3,000 yen, is almost equal to $20. Multiple entry visa, 6,000 yen, is almost equal to $40. Transit visa, around 700 yen, is almost equal to $5. Processing time is usually 5 to 10 business days, but during peak months, like cherry blossom season or year-end holidays, it can stretch up to 2 weeks. Plan ahead and apply at least 3 weeks before your travel date. Also, ensure your passport is valid for at least 6 months after your intended departure date, and that it has 2 blank pages for immigration stamps and records. Now for the most valuable section, tips and mistakes that can make or break your visa approval. Tip 1. Check your passport details carefully before submission. Even a single typo, like an extra space or wrong digit, can delay your visa. Tip 2. Always provide a clear, day-by-day itinerary. Mention where you'll stay and what cities you'll visit. Tip 3. Upload a recent passport-size photo with a white background and neutral expression. Tip 4. Use a valid hotel or Airbnb booking. Random or fake addresses can trigger rejections. Tip 5. Include a short cover letter explaining your purpose of visit. This adds credibility. Tip 6. Once approved, carry both digital and printed copies of your eVisa while traveling. Common mistakes to avoid: submitting blurry document scans, applying at the last minute, forgetting to mention your return flight details, booking non-refundable tickets before approval, ignoring embassy email updates. If your visa is rejected, don't panic. Most embassies allow you to reapply after 3 months with corrected documents. And that's your complete Japan visa guide. Every step explained clearly so you can plan your trip with confidence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel content. Comment below with your visa questions. We will personally respond to help you out. Disclaimer: the information shared in this video is for general informational and educational purposes only. While every effort has been made to ensure accuracy based on publicly available data and official updates, as of 2025, visa regulations, fees, and entry requirements for Japan are subject to change at any time without prior notice. This video does not constitute legal immigration or professional travel advice and should not be relied upon as a substitute for official government sources. Viewers are strongly advised to verify all details directly with the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Japan, their nearest Japanese embassy or consulate, or the official Japan eVisa portal before making any travel bookings or visa applications. The creator of this video does not represent any government or embassy and is not responsible for any changes, errors, or outcomes resulting from the use of the information provided. Your Japan adventure starts now, and with the right visa, you're already halfway there. The rest is all about exploring new cities, tasting authentic ramen, meeting incredible people, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. From Tokyo's dazzling skyline to Kyoto's timeless temples, every step brings a new discovery. Japan is waiting, and it's closer than you think. Until next time, sayonara and happy travels.